see the animals. So this is the view. So I'm gonna show you where we put the cows and the carabao to have something to eat. Somebody lives there up there. You can see there's clothes hanging on the top of the mountain. See the clothes. So I'm going down there. It's going to the creek. But for now, I'm not gonna show you the creek. That's another time. We're gonna get those cows. Because we're gonna do some photos and filming because we're gonna sell them. We are hearing them now. So this is the going to the creek. Because it's very muddy due to heavy rain all the time. These are coconuts, bananas, coconut trees. Ay. No spike here. Only the feet. This is the trail you need to surpass before reaching the creek. We haven't used this for a while now, so it's raining all the time, so we don't need to come here with the carabao and the cart just to bring the machine water pump to the creek and suck water. Here's the big mama cow. Big mama cow there. Such an adventure. Shan. The cows for now because no much grass around for them to eat. And then we're gonna go for another plants what we're gonna raise. So we're gonna leave the one carabao and maybe the babies. So we're gonna eliminate those big ones for now. 2 cows. They're female actually. One is my brother's cow, the big one with the white color. She's got a baby already and maybe planning to leave the baby for now and make it a little bit bigger before selling it. And then we have more, the other cow, the dark one, which is also female. Thus, the reason is because my father cannot work anymore to the farm, and it's hard for my mother and my siblings who's here living in this farmhouse to look after everything, and due to the scarcity, lack of grass anymore around, and the area is not that wide enough. I mean, it's very wide, like it's It's like 7 hectares we are taking care of here, but it's mainly slope, and you know, it's danger for the animals just if you can't keep an eye all the time. And me with the kids, it's hard for me to go full time with the farm activities like this, because I have my own I have my own business as well, which is art. So I'm gonna push for that, the paintings. Well, I'm still doing the art calligraphy, the styrocrafts. Still, I'm still making money from that one, and I will focus more on paintings. So that's more big commissions from that. And this is not the end, like we're gonna stop raising animals. We raise animals mainly for our livelihood. We raise them and sell them to money. And second is for food, like chickens, pigs. We eat them because some fruits and vegetables we can easily grab that harvest from our farm. So we're gonna see what's gonna be the plan B. Maybe just raising ducks and chickens near the house, so easy for us to look after. We'll see what the Lord's gonna provide. So yeah, still the family keeping together, all the siblings helping each other. This is the second cow. That's the big mama cow. If you haven't seen my young brother, he should be helping as well, but he's been affected with the electric accident last time. His leg was burned. It was a 2-degree burn actually, and he's still recovering. So that was really a tragic one. Actually, there were 3 of them, including my young sister as well, but she's got like minor only with the arm. Then my brother still recovering with his left leg. We already done second checkup, I mean the follow-up checkup, but still the doctor told us that it's looking good, and yeah, we just continue the medications and still antibiotics. And for my father updates, exercise. Father's update. Sorry about that. You're so noisy, girl. Huh? Sell this baby carabao as well. We're gonna leave the big mama because she's useful on bringing the water pump to the creek. They're still recovering, but he's already been good. He can walk by himself. He even cook in the kitchen, go by himself in the CR and things like that. Just not heavy things for now, because we need to be careful on his head. Walk so fast. This cow walks so fast. Apin ako sinil. Sell the four. We're gonna leave only the big mama carabao. The cow won't eat this kind of grass. Viewing today. Client want to see. We're gonna show him. Cow.